Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Window, or in this case, your door. In this episode, we're going to be taking a close look at one of our most popular door series, the 1615, 1617, and 1618 sliding glass door program, ideal for both new construction and restoration projects. The 1615, 1617, and 1618 sliding glass doors are available in multiple configurations, including 2, 3, 4, and 6 panel doors with a wide variety of sizes to fit any opening. Select configurations maxing out at 18 feet wide by 8 feet tall, these premium sliding glass doors are sure to impress. In the 2-panel configuration, stock sizes include 5, 6, and 8 foot wide by 6'8" or 8 feet tall, along with custom sizing. In the 3-panel standard configuration, stock sizes include 9 foot and 12 foot wide by 6'8" or 8 foot tall, along with custom sizing. Additionally, the center panel can slide left or right, or the far left panel or far right panel can slide as well. In the 3-panel multi-slide standard configuration, stock sizes include 7'2", 8'8", and 12 foot wide by 6'8" or 8 foot tall, along with custom sizing. Additionally, in the multi-slide door, there are 2 active panels that slide and stack behind the fixed panel. In the 4-panel biparting sliding glass door, where the center panels slide outward, the stock sizes include 10 foot, 12 foot, and 16 foot wide by 6'8" or 8 feet tall, along with custom sizing. The sliding glass door is available in white, almond, and clay, both inside and out. Exterior laminates are available in either the black or bronze with white interior. Additionally, we also offer 8 different exterior paint options in either the white or almond interior finish, giving you a wide range of custom looks to meet the current design trends. The multi-slide door is available in white inside and outside, and 8 exterior paints with white interior finish. The 1615, 1617, and 1618 sliding glass doors have many installation features designed in reducing install time in the field. The doors come as knockdown kits, making transportation from the distributor to the job site manageable, especially for those larger 3 and 4 panel doors. From the factory, the sill on the mainframe is already prepped along with the glass being dropped in the panels, streamlining the installation process. Post-installation, the door is designed with adjustability features on the rollers, locks, and hardware. This sliding glass door program was designed for performance with multi-chamber mainframe and vinyl webbing to increase rigidity and strength. The panels have steel reinforced vertical rails enhancing the performance along with the 2-level drainage system. There's plenty of weather stripping and bulb seal at the jambs and interlock to reduce air infiltration and provide year-round comfort. Hardware is installed through 2 walls of vinyl, increasing the screw retention. The panels effortlessly glide on the all-aluminum raised track with the help of the dual tandem nylon wheels. The wheels are adjustable, self-lubricating, and low friction, resulting in quieter and smoother operation over years of use. On the 2-track door, the heavy-duty extruded Silencia screen really separates this door from others on the market. The screen is durable with innovative design features such as the adjustable nylon rollers, which are in each corner and independently suspended for optimal operation. On the 3-track multi-slide door, the screen is a high-end retractable screen that is side-mounted. On the 3-panel, there is 1 retractable screen. On the 6-panel, there are 2 retractable screens that come together in the center. Some add-on options that complement the sliding glass door program are blinds in between the glass, transoms, and side lights. Like all MI products, we offer a variety of energy-efficient glass options for the sliding glass door, depending upon which part of the country you are in. For the North and Midwest, we offer low E and argon and triple pane. For the South, we offer high-performance low E and argon and Cardinal 340. For those customers along the coast in storm-prone areas, impact glass is available. We offer many different options for grid configurations on these sliding glass doors. Flat and sculptured grids with multiple patterns are available. You can also have the grids in between the glass for easy cleaning and maintenance. With so many customizable options, it's very easy to see why the 1615, 1617, and 1618 is such a popular series. If you're interested in one for your next new build or project, please contact your local MI representative or authorized MI dealer. Certainly hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.